Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about bacon. I'm a fan of bacon if you can't tell. All right, bacon has a lot of uses, and it's so important to the American diet and also European diets and stuff, but it's the saying of bringing home the bacon was an important part of our traditions and stuff as far as whether someone was a wage earner or not, if they could bring home the bacon. Bacon has a lot of uses. You know, my mother-in-law has used it to cover the turkey, covers it all up, and helps so the bacon browns on the outside, keeps all the juices on the inside. There's desserts with bacon, chocolate-covered bacon. Donuts with maple frosting and bacon bits crumbled on it. Bacon crumbles in salads. So bacon is used in a lot of things. There's even bacon burgers where they make, take the bacon, grind it up, and the beef, and do a 50-50, and they cook it up, and those are big sellers in some places. So when it comes to bringing it home, make sure you bring home the bacon, because there are a lot of uses for it. And as Commander Bacon says, bacon makes everything better. All righty? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, bacon, skills. Why? Well, this is why.